Do you ever wonder how some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle? It all comes down to a simple yet powerful concept: goal setting. By setting clear goals and taking actionable steps towards them, we can unlock our true potential and accomplish incredible things. Whether you're a dreamer in your youth or a seasoned professional, in the vibrant streets of the city or the tranquil countryside, goal setting is for everyone, everywhere. But here's the thing. It's not just about setting goals, it's about achieving them. It's about seeing your brand sparkle and thrive in the minds of your target audience. It's about creating an authentic connection that lasts. So, embrace the power of goal setting, take that leap forward, and watch your brand awareness soar. Remember, success is within your reach. All you have to do is set your sights on it. Goal setting is identifying what you want to achieve and developing a plan to make it happen. It is an essential skill for success in all areas of life, from your personal relationships to your career. Why is goal setting important? 1. Goals give you direction. When you know what you want to achieve, you can make better decisions and manage your time more efficiently. 2. Goals motivate you to take action. When you have a specific goal in mind, you are motivated to put in the work required to achieve it. 3. Goals help you to stay focused. It is easy to get distracted by the day-to-day demands of life. Having goals helps you to stay focused on what is important to you. 4. Goals help you to measure your progress. As you work towards your goals, you can track your progress and make adjustments to your plan as needed. 5. Goals enhance your confidence. When you achieve a goal, it gives you a sense of accomplishment and enhances your confidence. 6. Goals make you more resilient. When you face obstacles, setting goals can help you to stay motivated and continue moving forward. 7. Goals help you to reach your full potential. Pushing yourself forward is possible when you achieve your goals. 8. Goals improve decision-making. When you have a clear understanding of your goals, you're better equipped to make decisions that will help you achieve them. This is because you can weigh the pros and cons of different options and choose the path that is most likely to lead to success. 9. Goals increase productivity. When you have specific goals in mind, you're more likely to be focused and productive. This is because you're not wasting time on activities that are not relevant to your goals. 10. Goals help you stay organized. When you have a plan for achieving your goals, you're less likely to feel overwhelmed and disorganized. This is because you have a clear roadmap for what you need to do and when you need to do it. Setting and achieving goals is essential for a fulfilling and successful life. Here are some ways to set and achieve goals. 1. Identify your goals. What do you want to achieve in life? What are your dreams and aspirations? Once you know what you want, you can start to develop a plan to achieve it. 2. Make your goals SMART. Your goals should be specific enough so that you know what you need to do to achieve them, measurable so that you can track your progress, achievable so that you don't get discouraged, relevant to your overall goals and values, and time-bound so that you have a deadline to work towards. 3. Create a plan of action. Once you have broken down your goals into smaller steps, create a plan of action for how you will achieve each step. This will help you to stay on track and make progress towards your goals. 4. Take action. The most important step to achieving your goals is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start working towards your goals. Start today, even if you can only take a small step. Every little bit counts. 5. Track your progress. Tracking your progress is important for staying motivated and on track. It also helps you to identify any areas where you need to make adjustments. 6. Celebrate your successes. It's important to celebrate your successes along the way, even if they are small. This will help you to stay motivated and keep moving forward. 7. Be patient. Achieving your goals takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep working towards your goals and eventually you will achieve them. 8. Make sure your goals are aligned with your values. What is important to you in life? What do you want to achieve? Once you know your values, you can set goals that are aligned with them. 9. Be flexible. Things don't always go according to plan. Be prepared to adjust your goals and plan as needed. 10. Don't give up. Achieving your goals takes time and effort. Don't give up when things get tough. Just keep working towards your goals and eventually you will achieve them. Setting and achieving goals can be challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. When we achieve our goals, we boost our self-confidence and self-esteem, and we develop a sense of mastery over our lives. We also create a positive ripple effect in our relationships and communities.